Just minutes from downtown Joplin is the four-state area's largest and most comprehensive orthopedic and sports medicine care group and facility. Unlike the hospital system, Ortho Four States was founded and is operated by a team of highly trained orthopedic doctors and surgeons focused on a mission to restore patients' quality of life.
From its very inception, Ortho Four States was envisioned and basically it's the dream of a group of orthopedic surgeons about how to best provide care to their patients.
We have orthopedic surgeons that specialize in each of the subspecialty areas, from sports medicine to shoulder surgery to hand surgery, hip, knee, ankle, foot, and spine.
It's easy for the patient. The patient can drive right up to the front door. They get in, they're met by a warm receptionist. They're quickly into an exam room when we can determine whether or not they need x-rays, they need additional studies, whether they need surgery.
People feel like they're not in a doctor's office as much as a place of healing, and that's what we were really striving for.
Uniquely structured to cater to patient benefit, convenience, and choice, Ortho Four States doctors, physical therapists, physician assistants, and nurse practitioners all work together to provide compassionate and personalized care. But with state-of-the-art orthopedic techniques, equipment, and a facility only expected to be found in major cities.
And we know it's consistent care, consistent quality, because we're all working together, seeing each other every day, communicating on needs of patients.
I think patients relate to this group of local physicians. A lot of the doctors that work here grew up in Joplin or in the area, and we have common interests, and that translates into our relationships with them. Patients feel like we care because we do care about them.
A great response from the community and a great response from the patients to have that type of care available to them without having to travel to the more urban cities such as Springfield, Kansas City, Oklahoma City.
Ortho Four States is the region's full-service and easy-access orthopedic campus. Physician offices, MRI and imaging lab, physical therapy and aquatic rehabilitation center with 2 HydroWorks pools, pharmacy, durable medical equipment, State Line Surgery Center, Premier Surgical Institute inpatient and outpatient hospital, and Red Onion Restaurant and Cafeteria. Ortho Four States patient service staff is always friendly and available to help, from scheduling timely appointments to taking the confusion out of navigating complex insurance issues and the healthcare system. Ortho Four States board-certified and fellowship-trained physicians work to eliminate the pain and suffering caused by injuries and disorders of the spine and joints.
I say to some people that a heart surgeon saves your life and orthopedic surgeons save your quality of life.
We see patients from a number of different causes: motor vehicle accidents, falls, sports injuries, in addition to disease processes like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis and gout, pseudo-gout, infections sometimes.
We see patients from all over. Many of them are coming for a second or third opinion. Many times we have an option that isn't available other places.
Some people who are on the borderline of surgery, try to see if we can rehab them, treat them with interventions so that they don't absolutely need to have a surgery.
I feel very good about working with a group of people who believe in the physician-patient relationship, who see themselves as healers, and who want to be a part of the patient's life in this very intimate way. Most people stray away from that now, and that's the kind of physician I am. I do take a lot of pride in my work, and I do believe in old-fashioned medicine, the laying on of hands. So Ortho Four States has that, and I think it's very special, very unique.
And there's communication between therapist and doctor. The patients can be in here and he can come talk to them. We can go ask questions. And it makes for a really nice environment for the patient to get well.
Seeing someone get better, return to their passion. So, like a baseball player that gets to go out and pitch again, a basketball player that tears their ACL and goes through the full rehab from the initial shock of the injury to the recovery from the surgery post-operatively to returning to sport participation. Or somebody that goes from having a surgery or an operation or a debility and they go from using a walker to a cane to not using anything at all.
Our patients love the pool, and when they finish their therapy, we have a lot of people that want to continue. So we do offer an aquatic wellness program where they can come in and continue their exercise under the supervision of a physical therapy assistant.
We have training and techniques that have the ability to eliminate those conditions and eliminate that pain one person at a time. And I think that's really awesome.
Being a surgeon at Ortho Four States can change people's lives. We've had lots of my patients that have gone back to things that they never ever thought they were going to be able to do. Sometimes it's as big as going and doing their job that they love to do, and sometimes it's as small as being able to do the hobbies that they love.
And I had that this morning, where when you walk in and you know that you irrevocably have changed the way somebody is living. They've had pain for forever, and you have been able to change the course of that, and that is that's something that I will never get tired of having.
Just giving me my life back, the freedom to be able to, that I can walk without pain, that I can do things that I haven't done for several years. Just, I can't thank them enough. I don't have enough words to thank them.
I never would have dreamt that I could feel as good as I do now.
Orthopedic Specialists of the Four States, bringing personalized, world-class orthopedic care to the four-state area.
Thank you, Ortho Four States. You did a wonderful job.